In this tutorial, I will explain how to delete your Temu account using the new method after the latest update to the app. First, you need to open the Temu app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon or me at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see a gear icon at the top right. Tap on it to go to the app settings. You'll notice a section dedicated to managing your account or My Account. Once you're in this section, you'll find an option called Delete Temu Account. Tap on it to proceed with the deletion process. After tapping this option, the app will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. You may be asked to enter your password or confirm the process via email, depending on your account security settings. Once you confirm, your account will be permanently deleted from Temu and you won't be able to recover it or access your previous data. Make sure to save any important information before starting the deletion process.